It's a great pleasure to inform that Vikrant University, in association with Quality Circle Forum of India and Sense Life, are organizing Index 5.0 Hackathon competition at Vikrant University on 28th and 29th of October. The purpose of organizing hackathon is the fostering collaboration between industries, education and students, so that they can solve real world problems being faced by industries, and also they will learn and they will get a good exposure of solving their problem by utilizing various new technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, robotics. These kind of tools they can use while solving their problem. In this competition, we have got more than 150 problem statements from very prominent industries across India. The main organizations are Godrej, Tata, Vedanta, Mondelez, SRF, ExxonMobil and various agro industries are participating in this competition. These are our main partners. Apart from this, we have sent this problem to the various prominent educational institutes across India, and we have received more than 50 teams participation in this competition. And all over India, we have got this nomination and registration from 10 regions, and also more than 30 industries they have been involved for supporting us to make it this successful competition. I am also happy to share that our students and faculties are participating in a big way, and they are giving a lot of time to organize this competition, and a lot of contacts have been developed, networking has been developed for this competition by our students and faculties. So on 20th to 29th, we are inviting finalists of this competition, and they will be here for 24 hours. They will be working on their project, and 29th they will be giving their final solution to the juries from various industries, educational institute, and in front of them, and then we will be giving them a prize of rupees 1 lakh rupees for the winner. Second prize is 75,000 and third prize is 50,000. So the purpose of having this competition in Vikrant University to make aware the student what is happening around in industrial world, in business world, and how they can bring their ideas to solve their problem. So that will be the aim of this hackathon, and I hope this will be a very successful event in and around Gwalior. The first time all students will be getting very good exposure by involving themselves. Thank you very much.